Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello everyone, welcome to techiein and I'm with you Lukman. Last week I bought one pen drive, 8 GB SanDisk pen USB flash drive. After using with my friend's laptop, suddenly the capacity was reduced unexpectedly. Maybe the pen drive infected with virus. In this video I'll show you how to restore the USB flash drive with the full capacity. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. I'll show you the current status of the pen drive. See here, the pen drive size is only 100 MB, 119 MB instead of 8 GB. It's a 8 GB SanDisk pen drive, but it shows only 100 MB. And even though we try to format in the normal method, which is in the Windows, that's not also work with us. So we need a free tool called HP USB formatting tool. You can download it from the description. After installation, you can get a shortcut from the desktop. Open it and choose your pen drive and then make it label and just start the process. Make sure when you formatting, all the data will erase. It will take some time, depends upon your pen drive capacity. Like my pen drive is more than 8 GB, so it will take some time, 5 to 10 minutes also. Some other method also is there, like CMD method. Many of them not aware about the CMD tool, so this is the best simple method for all. The process will get bored, so that I skip the video. After the process complete, the partition was completed. Once completed, open my computer and see the status. We need to format it again in the normal method, which is in the Windows inbuilt in the OS. So we need to format it and see this size will get full size. I'll get the 8 GB. And now I want to make a label and start the process. Format again. Now the format will quickly completed. That's it. Now I get my full storage, which I was lost before. This is the simple method how to restore our pen drive full size. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.